Naging emosyonal si Bel Mariano at Donnie Pangilinan matapos magpaalam sa isa't isa. Marami namang fans ang nalungkot sa hiwalayan ng Don Bel.
That we may not be working with each other in the near future, but I'll always be here. And sobrang proud na ako sa'yo. And if they ask everyone here, you know, Kuya MP first, yung Convenient Love, Miss Vanner first series, but I've really seen you grow since day one, since we've met. And I will always look up to you. Not figuratively, but literally pala, figuratively. But in general, I'm just so blessed that I got to spend these last years with you. Yeah, I wouldn't have it any other way. Thank you, thank you.
Ang dami kong gustong sabihin, pero siguro ngayon, I just wanna say thank you. Thank you so much for the journey, for just being there, for the support, and I respect you so much. And ngayon pa lang, ang layo mo na, pero malayo ka pa. And I'm just so proud of you, and I'm so proud of the man you are now.